Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's reshaping our digital world: blockchain technology. Whether you've heard of blockchain through Bitcoin or buzz about smart contracts, today we're going to unpack what it really is, how it's used, and what the future holds. So let's get started. Blockchain technology first surfaced with the Bitcoin white paper, written in 2008 by an enigmatic figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto. But the seeds of blockchain were sown way before Bitcoin. Early forms like cryptographic hash functions, digital timestamping, and Merkle trees set the stage for blockchain's creation. Now, while Bitcoin introduced blockchain as a way to track cryptocurrency, the technology itself is a game changer for much more than just digital money. Today, blockchain is revolutionizing several sectors. In supply chains, it tracks goods from production to sale, ensuring authenticity and transparency. In healthcare, it secures patient data, streamlining processes. And in real estate, blockchain speeds up transactions with smart contracts that automate paperwork and verification. But what about the future? Imagine a world where blockchain manages your home's energy, where your ID is safe and encrypted, or where AI decisions are transparent and verifiable. These aren't just ideas. They're soon-to-be realities made possible by blockchain. As blockchain grows, so does the need for regulation. From cryptocurrency laws to data privacy, governments worldwide are figuring out how to balance innovation with protection. And ethically, the technology must address issues like environmental impact and digital inequality to ensure it benefits everyone. Blockchain isn't just about technology. It's about building a future where trust and transparency are the norms in our digital interactions. Whether it's voting, banking, or browsing, blockchain could be the backbone of a whole new way to live and work. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you won't miss our next deep dive into exciting technologies. Got questions or topics you want us to cover? Drop a comment below. Until next time, keep exploring the digital frontier.